Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create social liquid banner design in Inkscape. So let's get started. First open GIMP. So the thing we are gonna create will look like this one. We can have multiple colors in it. Here I have used yellow and orange, and you can create it with multiple colors like you see fit. Okay, so go to file, go to new, take 3000 into 1000 pixel as resolution, click OK. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first get this blue color. You can pick any color, it's your wish, but I'm going with this blue color. The code is 0031FF. Now go to edit, go to fill with foreground color. Now I have filled this one. Now I will take brush tool. I am using this brush Bristol's 03. You can pick any brush of you want. Now I will change the color to pink 530B60, this code. Your wish, you can take any color on this one also, there is no issue with it. Now just apply this color here and there. Now I will change my color again. I will go with this green 02E8AF. Now I will again spread this color here and there, it does not matter. Now I will go to filters. Now I will go to blur. Now I will go to Gaussian blur. I will just try to blur it a little. Just keep in mind that you can see these colors distinctively, and you can don't just blur it a lot. Click OK. Now I will go to filters again. I will go to distort. I will go to whirl and pinch. Increase the pinch a lot, increase the radius a lot. Now try to increase the whirl. Yes, this works fine. Just keep it a bag. I will give. This works fine. Click OK. Now pick the wrap tool and just try to segregate it here and there. Okay, liquefy it. Just keep in mind that black color do not come on the screen. Okay, press Ctrl+Z to undo it if you get that black color on the screen, or you can just try to fill it back in. Okay, just try to spread it a lot. Okay, after spreading it a lot, just change your tool to any other tool your wish, and the wrap tool will be finalized. Now just duplicate the layer again. After duplicating the layer, now click this button and reset back to black and white as your foreground and background color. Select the second layer beneath layer. Now go to gradient and pick this foreground to background color. Now go to colors. Now go to map. Now go to gradient map. Now it will change the colors to like this, white and black. Every color from the gradient, it will pick it from the gradient. Now I will go to colors. I will go to curves. Now I will just try to make it look better. Okay, just try to create an S. Okay, this works fine. Just do not make whites a lot. Okay, this works fine. Click OK. Now replace it back. Add an alpha channel to it. Okay, add an alpha channel. Now select the move tool. Try to drive it to left. Okay, just try to slide it to left. After sliding it to left, you can use wrap tool on it. Okay, select the wrap tool, keep this layer selected, just wrap it down. And you can spread it like you want. I will go with this one. I will finalize it to this and select any other tool. Now it is done. I will just create multiple 1-2 copies of it. Okay, now I will, this was the first one we created. Now we'll select this color. I will try to change my gradient. Okay, we'll go with this one, yellow orange. Now again go to colors. Now again go to map, again go to gradient map. Now you see you have created this. Now to make the colors pop again, go to colors, go to curves. Just try to make it like this. Just you can see the orange color is becoming more prominent with this. Just try to balance it. Okay, fix it like you like, click OK. Now you can do the similar with the another one. You can pick another color. You can go with full seal works. Okay, go to again, go to colors, go to map, go to gradient map. I guess this does not work. We can try another color. We can go to abstract, colors, map, gradient map. This does not look good. We can go to blue and green, colors, map, gradient map. This also does not look good. We can go with deep sea, colors, map, gradient map. We can create something with this. We can go to colors again, we can go to curves again, and we can try to increase the whites in this one. Well, this look good. So you can see we can create other many variations of the same background with selecting the gradient we want. Just you can experiment with other gradients and see which one works for you, which one does not work for you. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment box if you have any questions. See you again. Bye guys.